In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact a seller on Shein in 2025. Let's dive into this process step by step to ensure you have a seamless experience when you need to reach out with questions or issues related to your orders. To begin with, it's important to note that Shein doesn't provide a direct link to contact sellers individually. This might seem a bit unconventional, especially if you're used to other platforms where direct messaging is available. However, there is an effective workaround via Shein's customer service features. So let's start by navigating to your account's profile menu. Once you're there, locate the Customer Service Live Support section. This is your gateway to getting in touch with customer service representatives who can act as intermediaries between you and the seller. At this point, you have two primary options to proceed. You can either use the live chat feature or choose to submit a ticket. If you're looking for a more immediate response, live chat is usually the faster route. You'll be able to interact with a customer service agent in real time. Alternatively, submitting a ticket is an excellent option if you prefer to have everything documented or if you are not available for a live conversation. In your message, it's crucial to provide specific details to ensure that your query is appropriately directed. Begin by including the item name or ID. This identification helps the support team to pinpoint the exact product you're referring to. If the seller's name is displayed on the product page, be sure to mention it as well. Additionally, clearly articulate your question or concern. Whether you're asking about the size or inquiring about the material, the more detailed your message, the quicker and more accurately the team can assist. After you have submitted your communication, whether it was through chat or a ticket, there are a couple more steps that will help safeguard your interactions. Always save any chat or ticket IDs. These identifiers can be immensely useful if you need to reference your query in future interactions. Moreover, it's a good practice to take screenshots of your conversation. Screenshots serve as a record of your discussion and could prove handy if you need to follow up or escalate the issue later. The process might initially seem a bit roundabout, but following these steps will ensure your concerns are directed to the right people and you can get the assistance you need. With this approach, contacting a seller on Shein becomes straightforward, ensuring that you can address any questions or issues with ease. Remember, good communication, detailed information, and keeping records of your inquiries are key to a successful interaction with Shein's customer service. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.